Hey everybody, I have got some 3 off 15 all Snuggle Purex Persil deals to share with y'all. I have 10 different scenarios, so if you are interested, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, click that bell, set it to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. Alright, y'all, let's talk about these 10 scenarios. We will need this 3 off 15 digital coupon clipped. It will be in the digital coupons in your app, so make sure you got that one clipped. It's 3 off 15. Alright, y'all, here is scenario 1. I need to clip the $1 cash back on the 65 or 75 ounce Purex. Pick up the $6 bottle of Purex and toss it in your cart. Next, clip the $2 off Persil liquid coupon, 75 ounces. Pick up one of these at $9.95. Our subtotal works out to be $15.95, and we will get $3 off the top for the Hinkle coupon, and we'll get $2 off for Persil. We're going to pay $10.95, but earn a $1 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $9.95 for 2 detergent. That works out to be 2 items at $4.97 each. Alright, y'all, here is scenario 2. Now, for this one, you're going to need to clip the $2 cash back on Persil, pick up the 34-ounce liquid detergent for $5.50, put that in your cart. Next, you want to clip the all coupon. It's $4 off 2. And pick up 2 of the bottles that are $5 and put those in your cart. Now, our subtotal is $15.50. We're going to get $7 off in digital coupons. We will pay $8.50, but we are going to earn $2 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $6.50. And that works out to be 3 items for $2.16 each. Scenario 3. Alright, y'all, for this one, you want to clip the $2.50 cash back on all detergent. You're going to pick up a 49 load bottle, or I think it's like the 88 ounces. It's $12. And next, you're going to pick up a Dial foaming hand soap at $3. So, our subtotal is $15. We're going to get $3 off the top from the Hinkle coupon. We're going to pay $12, but we'll earn $2.50 cash back, making it $9.50 for 2 items, or it's kind of like getting the all free and clear for $9.50 and getting the soap for free. Scenario 4. Alright, y'all, for this one, clip the $1 cash back on soft scrub. We're going to pick up one of the soft scrub at $4 and toss that in your cart. The next item, you are going to need to clip the $1 cash back on Purex 21 count packs. Pick up 2 bags of these. It'll be $8. Next, you want the 75 cents cash back on Snuggle fabric softener. And you're going to want to pick up the $3.95 Snuggle Blue Sparkle. Now, our subtotal works out to be $15.95. We get that $3 off right off the top. We're going to pay $12.95. But we earn back $3.75 in cash, so our new out-of-pocket is $9.20. And that gives us 4 items at $2.30 each. Alright, y'all, scenario 5 is super easy. You're just going to clip the $3 cash back on all free and clear 141 ounce and pick up the 141 ounce bottle for $17. You'll get $3 off the top, and you will pay $14, but you're going to get $3 cash back, so it's like getting the gigantic all for $11. Scenario 6. For this one, we are going to clip the $2 cash back on Purex. You're going to pick up the 128 ounce bottle for $10. Next, you want the $1 cash back on Purex 35 count. We can pick up one of these for $5.75. Now, our subtotal is $15.75. We get that $3 right off the top. Then we will earn $3 cash back. So our new out-of-pocket is $9.75. So that's 2 items for $4.87 each. All right, y'all, here is scenario 7. We are going to clip the $1.25 cash back on Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener, and we're going to pick up the 90-ounce Snuggle Blue Sparkle for $8. Next, you want to clip the 75-cents cash back on Snuggle Super Fresh Dryer Sheets, and these are $4.50. Next, clip the $1 cash back on Purex 43.5-ounce detergent, and pick up a $4 bottle and put it in your cart. Our subtotal is $16.50. We will get $3 right off the top. We will pay $13.50, but we are earning $3 cash back, making our new total $10.50. Now that works out to be 3 items at $3.50 each. Scenario 8. All right, y'all, for this one, you will need the $2 cash back, and you're going to pick up the 150-ounce bottle of Purex detergent. The next thing you want is the 50 cents cash back clipped on the Snuggle dryer sheets. Then you're going to pick up a 40-count pack of the dryer sheets, put them in your cart. The next item, clip the $1 cash back on Purex 21-count packs. We can pick up 1 bag for $4 and put those in the cart. Our subtotal is $16. We get that $3 right off the top. We will pay $13, but then we're going to earn $3.50 cash back, making the new total $9.50, or 3 items for $3.16 each. Scenario 9. All right, y'all, for this one, we need the $1.25 cash back clipped on the Dial Men's Body Wash. You're going to pick up one of the $8 bottles, put that in your cart. Now, the next item you're going to want to clip is the $1 cash back on Purex 75-ounce bottles. Pick up the $6 bottle and put it in your cart. Next item is the Dial 7.5-ounce hand soap for $1.50. No coupon, we just got to get a filler, so toss that in there too. Subtotal is $15.50. We save $3 right off the top. We're going to pay $12.50 and earn $2.25 cash back, making our new total $10.25. So that works out to be 3 items at $3.41 each, but I don't like it this way because the Dial hand soap's only $1.50. So it's kind of like just getting the dollar hand soap for free since we get that $3 right off the top. Technically, we kind of get 2 items for $10.25 then. All right, y'all, here is scenario 10. We are going to use the 2 off 2 Dial Body Wash digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Dial Body Wash for $8. Next thing we're using again is going to be this $1.25 Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener cash back. Pick up the $8 Snuggle bottle, toss it in your cart. Now, our subtotal is $16. We've got $5 coming off the top in digital coupons. We're going to pay $11, but earn $1.25 cash back for the Snuggle, and our new out-of-pocket is $9.75. So that's like getting 3 items at $3.25 each. Y'all, that is it for this video. I sure hope this is helpful to you. Now, I normally like the 5 off 15 digital so much better than the 3 off 15, but it's what we got to work with. So, I hope you had a great time learning about some new scenarios, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.